Okay, gentlemen, let's take a quick look at this one. I'm not very familiar with these foot pedal things, but what I do know, so I took the cover off, and I do know that I have only removed 3 wires from this thing. And the other ones, they were cutted. Oop, bad cameramanship here. They were not connected, and they were this red and this blue or whatever this color is were not there. But when I come over to this here, we've got all the majority of the wires just taped together, but we have one red going to that side, one red going to that side, one blue going to the other side, and another blue going to the same side. So in the foot pedal, we're using 4 wires, and the ground is connected here too, grounding that guy off, whereas out here I only have 3. So I guess 5 wires instead of 3. So I'm not exactly sure what to do. I'm gonna check to see what's going on here with the meter. If I can go find the bloody meter. There it is over there on the table. So we'll take a quick walk over and we'll see what we got going on here. Here's my dashed up. Of course, that's not helping it none, is it? Flukaroo. And let's see what we got going on here. I'm guessing that both of these sets of contacts are working. Oh, mess. One-handed cameramanship. So we got those guys there. Oh, Jens. And connected. So that works. And I'm going to just put you guys down for 2 checks, or see if I can do some hokey cameramanship. Let's see if that one and that one also do. So they're both doing the same thing. So I don't think that they're, it's not like one is closed when the foot pedal is at the top and the other one's closed and the foot pedal is at the bottom. They're both just closed. So I think maybe there's a, I don't know, redundant set of switchgear in here. But anyways, the foot pedal works. I'm just going to just run 3-wire cab tire to it. And we'll just use one switch, and if it ends up failing for some reason, then we'll just end up using the other one. But foot pedal does seem to work as a piece of switching gear. And that's that. So that guy will get changed out right now. And then I did clean this box up a little bit. Did make a note for when I pulled the turning motor wiring out that came in here. Since there's no terminal markings on here, I just marked them as I've shown here, and I took a picture as well so that I don't forget where everything goes. There's 5 wires. One went to this little ground terminal, the green one. And I don't know if you can see what the labeling is there, probably better than me. 1 TB, A1, A2, F1, and F2. And that was marked on the cables. So, yeah, we'll get that going. I did use some electrical cleaner on cleaning up some of the contacts in here. I think I am going to replace these screws and just take a little wire brush to the terminal strips just to make sure that the contacts are really good and clean. And I'll do that, replace all the screws in this one up top as well. I need to go buy a whack of spade ends, and that'll go there. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Cheers.